What up, people? Welcome back. It is day 99. One more day, and we hit 100 days in a row, consecutively, of a Fojo. You understand what I'm saying? So, like, subscribe, share. Thanks to all the new subscribers and everybody that is tuning in to this show. I'm sitting back, I'm relaxing. I'm all nice and hydrated because I had this raw organic dragon fruit punch drink that we're doing a mock-up thing with. This is our photo for the day, so enjoy. And we will. That mic is working, everything's working. Cool. Let's get to the editing process. I'm gonna go up on that. Just a wee bit, yeah. A little contrast, a little highlight, a little shady, a little white. Bring in some of the black. Can't forget the black. There we go, blue. And a little green there, a little bit. Bring down that vibrance. A little bit of that saturation on down there. Go up in the reds. Take them oranges there. Do the same thing. Hit it with the yellows. A little bit of the yellows. Take some of the grains and just punch some grains up. And we're gonna bring them teals nice and teal-like. All the way to the teal store. And bring them blues up, you know what I'm saying?
That's the foot style. How'd you like it?
Yes, good like that. I victorious. Now we go up a little bit with the purples. Just a wee bit, you know, just a touch of tatty waddy. Yes. And take the setch down a little bit from here. Yes.
Allegedly.
No allegedly. It is factually. Okay. Then we're gonna boost that up a bit, and we do a little with the greens and some of the blues, and then we hit it with the textures and then some of that clarity. Throw some more haze up into there. You know what I'm saying? We vignette just a bit. The noise! Yes, it's the party of noise indeed. Noise! It's facts that we are good people that do good things.
Now we'll learn who's the best.
You are the best because you are watching, and this is the truth.
Chicken go cluck cluck, cow go moo, piggy go. How about you? Gonna be an animal just like you. Every
I'm just a birdie too.
Anyway, it is now the noise. That's all. We are going to mask. It's going to be good. And we hit the mask, and now we are on the mask, and the mask is good. And what the mask will tell us is what we are going to do. So, radial gradient. This is what we use right now. Just put that right in the center. Yeah.
Your clothes are black.
It's true. So now we go up with that front logo that just pop, you know what I'm saying? And hit that with some of that shadow, hit it with the white, a little bit of white, bring that black back in, all natural. Blues, and the saturation of it, more thing, and then we hit it with some of the clarinet, and then some of the texture. The grainy bit, and then the haze are just the haze is the witty bitty, and then the noise is good. I like what I see. And bring that out to the edges there. Nice. And we're gonna flip that, invert, and grab that right there. Pull that out to the edges there. Pull that out to them edges there. Grab that. Pull that out to them edges there, you know. And just keep on dragging till we get right around that swish bar. That's nice and deep like it. Yep. Get that right there. Do with some of that clarity. Get some of that. Ooh, don't want to halo rain. Don't want to halo rain. You know it's right there. Yeah. Get that with a little bit of the yellow sauce and some of that purple sauce. Yes. And then bring the black back in. Boost the white. Shed it. Have that. Take the contrast on out of here a bit. And go up a little bit. And exposure. And that is our amazing photo for the day 99. Stay organic. Make sure you go and check out squeakydoorproductions.com, squeaky with 2 E's, and use the Rate My Photo app if you're a photographer, and if you're watching this channel, you probably are into it. So, go and do! Okay, bye-bye.